Mackenzie. Hi. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Corbin, say hi, Grandma. We're going to send this video to Grandma. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say miss you.
I miss you.
Say see you soon.
See you soon.
There's Kenzie. There's Corbin. Kenzie, what are you doing? Kenzie?
She got the hairbrush.
Mackenzie. Where's my baby? There she is. There she is. There's my girl.
Hi.